Hello and welcome to the IELTS Speaking Masterclass, Part 1. Are you aiming for Band 7 or 8 in IELTS Speaking? Then this video is for you. Today, we'll walk through how to confidently answer Part 1 questions, those short, daily life questions that can really boost your fluency score if done right. I'll give you real questions, Band 7 plus sample answers, and tips to avoid common mistakes. Let's get started. What is Part 1? Part 1 of the IELTS speaking test lasts about 4 to 5 minutes. The examiner will ask you questions about familiar topics, like your hobbies, studies, daily routine, or hometown. Each topic includes 3 to 4 questions. The goal is not to test your knowledge, but to see how clearly and fluently you speak in English. Now, here's what a Band 7 or Band 8 speaker does differently. They answer in 2 to 4 sentences. They add personal details. They use natural expressions and linking words. And most importantly, they don't memorize answers. Let me show you how this works with a real example. Let's take the topic, hobbies. Question 1. What do you usually do in your free time? Well, I enjoy a few things, but I'd say my favorite way to relax is by reading mystery novels and listening to music. It helps me disconnect from daily stress and feel recharged. Question 2. How often do you do that? I try to make time for it every evening, especially reading. Even if it's just 20 minutes before bed, I find it helps me calm down and sleep better. Question 3. Is there something new you'd like to try in your free time? Definitely. I've been really curious about photography lately. I'd love to learn how to take portraits and capture city life. It seems like a creative and relaxing hobby. Question 4. Do you prefer doing things alone or with others? To be honest, it depends on the activity. When I read, I prefer being alone because it's more peaceful. But for things like exploring new places or watching a movie, I enjoy doing that with friends. Did you notice the structure in each answer? A clear main idea, supporting detail or reason, and a personal touch. This is exactly what examiners look for. Here are 3 tips to improve your answers. Tip 1. Use natural starters like, well, I'd say. To be honest. I guess it depends. These make your speech more conversational. Tip 2. Add one detail or example to every answer. Instead of just saying, I like music, say, I like classical music. It helps me focus when I study. Tip 3. Use everyday linking words. Because. So. And. That's why. And here are a few vocabulary phrases that sound great in Part 1. Unwind equals relax after stress. Catch up on equals get updated, e.g., I catch up on my favorite shows. Into something equals interested in something, e.g., I'm really into sketching these days. Peaceful equals calm, quiet. Try answering this question in the comments. What do you usually do in your free time? Use the tips from this video and try to speak for 3 to 4 sentences. And if you want to improve even faster, make sure to watch Part 2 of the Speaking Masterclass where we'll explore cue card answers and how to organize your thoughts in 60 seconds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your IELTS prep.